Take out 7 pizzas. So this is how you put it. And boom. One, move the other one.
Welcome to the best pizza channel.
Hello guys, from Maestro Vito Iacopelli. How are you today? Thank you so much for being here. Today we are here in the really good pizzeria Neapolitan style with a special friend of mine that he gave me the pizza place for tonight, just to show you this instructional video, just to help you making the pizza much better in the easy way. It's been a long time that I don't do a video, instructional video. Yes, you know, I saw some comments, some emails where people have been asking me, Vito, how do I make multiple pizzas? How do I cook 10 pizzas? Yes, this video today is about how to make and cook multiple pizzas in the same time. Today we are focused on the Neapolitan pizza. So for Neapolitan pizza, of course, we have an oven that is really hot. So the max that we can go today with this oven here is 7 pizzas. So you are going to see how to make it proper way, how to prepare it in the proper way, and how to cook it in the proper way. So pay attention to all the details and the step. And then if you have a question, please comment below. I will be here to answer to you to all of your questions. So it's very important to follow the steps because the oven is really hot, the dough is really hydrated. If it's not, this is the way how to do it, with a high hydration or low hydration. So let's go see how to make the multiple pizzas in the same time, of course Neapolitan style. And here we go. We have Dario, is my friend. How they can find you on Instagram?
It's Dario Cage.
Dario Cage, like
Dario Cage.
Like the actor
Nicolas Cage.
Nicolas Cage.
The best one. Ciao Nicolas.
Yeah.
I love you.
Hopefully Nicolas will see this video too.
Yeah.
Maybe when he starts to make the pizzas. Thank you so much, Dario, to offer me the place to show.
It's my pleasure.
To show the world how to make 10 pizzas. Not 10 pizzas, how to make multiple pizzas, because Neapolitan pizza you can go on solo on numbers. Quindi praticamente vi mostreremo il mondo come fare 7 pizze napoletane fatte e cotte al forno, quindi insegneremo come
entrano
farle.
insieme, escono insieme.
Bravo.
E poi mostreremo pure come stenderle,
Sì,
per la
perché
loro manipolazione.
ci sta una tecnica come fare le 7 pizze,
Sì,
tutti insieme.
non è la stessa cosa come fare una pizza, ma c'è una determinata tecnica, adesso noi mostreremo.
Bravo, grazie Dario. So andiamo, facciamo queste pizze.
Andiamo?
So guys, nothing, like I said, we are going to show you how to make 7 pizzas, actually multiple pizzas.
Multiple pizza.
Depends on your oven, so we're gonna go the max. And because this oven fits 7 pizzas, and then pay attention to all the steps because it starts from when you make it, when you take it out from the box, everything. So let's go ahead and enjoy this video. Okay, rule number 1, very important when you make multiple pizzas. So let's say you make 6, 7 pizzas. In this case, we are making 7 pizzas. So the rule number 1 is to take out all 7 pizzas, and we're gonna put it in the flour. Vai Dario. That's rule number 1. Quindi usciamo 7 pizze, tutte e 7 le adagiamo nella farina.
Sì.
Regola numero 1. And we place it upside down in a small, if it's high hydration, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make it a little bit smaller. So place all 7, because if you have an order or 7 pizzas, you have to take out 7 pizzas. Even if you have 10, you have to take out 10. Okay, there we go. We take out 7 pizzas. So second thing to do here is let's close the box.
Yes.
Let's close the box, otherwise the dough will get too dry. So let's start to say the second rules how to make it. Okay, so now this is what we do. Very important. Get a little bit of flour. We use semolina. We use rice flour. Get a little bit of flour and put flour, not too much and not too less, everywhere where you're gonna put the pizzas. So Dario now is gonna stretch it. Okay, so we place small. We're gonna make a small pizzas, just like that, not too big. So, because when you make it too big, this is very important. And then also, we're gonna place it upside down. So remember, the top goes on top, but the bottom goes on the bottom. So basically, we are putting the bottom on the top, because I'm going to show you what to do now. So we stretch all 7, little bit smaller than usual. There you go, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see? The pizza is about 8 inches. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We wait, we want to stretch, because when you work by yourself, you're going to stretch all 7. So I'm here just to explain to you. If you have a hole, just go ahead and make the hole. I'm here to explain to you. Okay, perfect. Now we have 7 pizzas. Come on. We have 7 pizzas, and the important thing is here to have the ingredients ready. Yeah. You have to have all the ingredients ready.
And the table is very clean, very
yes.
clean.
Also, Dario says that, see, that's why it's good to have 2 masters of pizza. The table needs to be really clean and not too dry, not too wet, because if it's wet, adios amigos.
No olive oil, nothing.
Second thing to do here now is very important. So get the pizza, and we have to flip it over all of them, because not everybody is fast like us. So you go ahead and flip it and put it in the same spot. Don't make it bigger. So that's how you flip it. 1, 2. Okay. Pay attention. So we start to put the tomato from the last to the first one. So this is how we do it. 1, 2. See what I'm doing? Put the tomato first. Don't spread the tomato. Put the tomato sauce first. Then look at this. What I'm doing? You go ahead and put the tomato. You go on the same orders that how you put the tomato. Voila. Now we have to be fast, because once the tomato is on the pizza, you cannot stop. Otherwise the pizza will stick. Then Parmesan cheese, same thing. You start from the first one to the last one. Now pay attention to this, because it's very important. Grab as much as possible of cheese that you can, because dump a little bit. Dump a little bit. Usually 80 grams to 100 grams each pizza. Dump it, grab it. You need to be fast. Grab it, and voila. Now we're gonna fix the cheese as much we want to. Now go with the basil. First we put the basil. We are doing like it's only one person. Now the olive oil. Vai Dario. So same thing, when you put the olive oil, that means that you finish the pizza and the fornaio is ready right here. You need to do this with 2 people, one in the oven and one making the pizzas. So the pizzas are complete. Very important now that you do this step. From the last to the first one, you have to do this. Pinch it, and then just make sure they're not stuck, all of them. You have to make sure they're not stuck. How you do that? You pinch it and you twist it. So all the pizza are not stuck. If they are stuck, get a little bit of flour, and you go under the pizza, just like that with the spatula. Now, let's go in the oven. You have to have the second guy here, like this. So we have to put a little bit of flour, and of course we have to start from the last one. From the first one, sorry, not the last one. So this is how you put it. And boom, and you make a large you want, and then here you fix the cheese, because once the pizza is on the peel, we need to fix right away the other one. Actually, we need to get it ready, the other one. Bye. See what I'm doing? I'm getting ready with the in front. See, I'm getting ready with the second one. Then boom, and you need to be fast here. Then get ready with the other one. Then boom. You go ahead and put it in the other one. Bye. Then go ahead and put it in the oven again. Now get ready the other one, always like this. Then boom. Make a large, fast one, the last one, and finally ready. Go in the oven. So now I'm gonna show you how we put it in the oven, and of course we're going to show you how to cook it in the oven. So vai, finiscile questa qua, tranquillo. Important, before you put the pizzas in the oven, you have to have a piece of wood warming up on the side, right here. Just keep it there on the side, and then when the pizzas are ready with all the cheese and everything, we're gonna get the piece of wood and we're gonna put it on top. This way we have the correct flame. So let's finish the pizzas. Bye, Dario. Now Dario is ready. He just put in the olive oil. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting the piece of wood on top, on the stand. Clean up all the space that we have.
Oh, chef.
Yeah, I don't come in. So let's clean up all the space. Okay guys, now we have the right flame in the oven. We are ready to go and put the pizza. So pay attention how I put the pizzas in the oven. So this is the first one. With the first one, we're gonna put it on the front. And then we have to follow. Attenzione Dario.
Yes, chef.
We're gonna follow. One shot. Careful. Then we're gonna follow the pizzas. We need to be fast, both of us. There we go. Go back there. There we go. Nicola, spostati davanti qua, vai. Now let's put this one right there in the front. One shot. The peel is hot, so we need to pull down the peel. There we go. Like you can see now, the first one, it's cooking already. And let's put the last one. There we go, 7 pizzas. Be careful. Then one shot. Yes, chef. There we go. We have 7 pizzas right away. So now, let's turn the first one and we take it out. Be careful, all the pizzas, guys. Let's take it out. All the pizzas that we think they are cooked. If you cannot reach one, move the other one. Let's take it out. All the pizzas and you cook one time, one by one. So now let's move. Let's turn it on. Right there. Let's put the first one in again in the oven, right in all the way inside. There we go. Let's go. Let's check out the last one. Okay, this one, the first one is ready. Be careful because the pizza will get stuck. Let's take it out. This one is ready. This one is turning again. Boom, it's ready. This one is ready. Actually, a little bit more. This one is ready. You have to pay attention to all the pizzas. This one is ready. Careful. Again. And boom. Woo. The pizzas are nicely done. So we're gonna place it on the counter, and then I'm gonna show you all how they are cooked. Because the oven was really hot, like you can see, this is no fast time. So about 1.5 minutes they were all cooked. Man, ci stava un sacco erano tipo 2 anni che non cuocevo tutto.
Well done, man.
Guys, the pizza was probably 2 years that I don't cook all these pizzas one time. So let's place it there and let's show you. I want to show you. I put it here on the grill. Vai.
Ok, service please, approvata.
Approve it.
Approve it, vai. Approve it.
Perfect.
Next one. Approve it. Approve it. Approve it. Approve it.
And this is
Last one.
wow. Oh my guys. Whoa. Wow. So nothing. Let me explain to you one more thing. We put it in a grill. This way, when they come out from the oven, boom, the vapor goes up and also goes down. So we have to put the grill this way, all the vapor it will go out and the pizza will get a little bit crunchier. So this is how to make multiple pizza in the same time in the wood burning oven, Neapolitan style. And guys, of course, for all of you that think that the pizza is burned, the pizza was not like this, I have two camera guys. Here is like 10 people around here, so for me it was difficult to turn around and everything. Cioè sto dicendo che per me era molto
molto difficoltoso lavorare qui.
Sono 10 persone,
tutta una questione di abitudine, è una questione di farlo ogni giorno, quotidianamente.
We have light here, we have a light here, we have another light here, and we have people, camera guys.
Very
so for me it was a little bit difficult, but hopefully this video was helpful for you. And coming soon in my other video, the Bari style, because it's totally different situation. Please come by if you are in Bari to Spicchi d'autore I'm gonna link it below because
Spicchi d'autore.
Because also is in my some of my other videos the best Neapolitan pizza in Bari here. So make sure you check it out.
Volevo ringraziare te per la tua presenza. Vi chiedo di venire a seguire la pizzeria Spicchi d'autore sia a Bari, al Vomero e la sede di Portici.
Yeah, they have
che
3 locations.
Nient'altro.
They have 3 locations also in Naples. Guys, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, che altro dire, iscrivetevi.
Iscrivetevi al canale di Vito Iacopelli. Iscrivetevi.
Subscribe.
Follow Vito Iacopelli.
Ciao and enjoy the pizza.
Forti, bombati e squarciati.
Ciao.